Hi there, this is Victoria from crushcrypto.com. In this video, I will be covering WePower, a blockchain-based green energy trading platform. Please note we are not paid or mandated to do any of our reviews. This is just our personal opinion and analysis and not investment advice. WePower is proposing a blockchain-based green energy trading platform that directly connects producers to consumers. The most important mechanism of WePower's platform is allowing producers to tokenize the clean energy they create. These tokens, which are different from WPR tokens, which I will talk about later, each represent 1 kilowatt-hour of energy to be produced in the future and represents a contract between the producer and the consumer. Through this tokenization of renewable energy, WePower aims to allow renewable energy producers to pre-sell their production on a global scale and obtain necessary capital to increase their profitability. Through WePower, the investment ecosystem for global renewable energy will be simplified and open to more consumers. Investors will benefit from better energy investment terms such as lower costs and higher liquidity. They will also have access to clean energy projects worldwide, making green energy a more appealing asset class. This diagram illustrates how investing in energy with WePower differs from the traditional investment process. The WePower platform hopes to take advantage of the fact that the percentage of renewable energy in the world will go from 24% today towards 100% over time, accounting for most of the $11.5 trillion in world energy use. It is unclear how long this will take, but WePower aims to speed up adoption of clean energy while growing its platform and connecting more consumers with producers worldwide. This is a screenshot of the platform demo, which you can check out yourself on their website. You can try registering as an energy consumer or an energy producer. The platform is still under development, so the demo shows just the basic functionality and concept. This slide summarizes the team's milestones and development roadmap. WePower was launched in January of 2017, and they secured a 1,000 megawatt project pipeline in July. From there, they launched an MVP in August, then signed a deal for grid integration and had 14 energy engineers join their project in September. The team is currently working towards a platform launch in March of 2018 and a countrywide energy tokenization test in Estonia for April. They are also working on connecting WePower with their first clients in Spain, hoping to do more testing of the platform in September before a full launch in November. After launching in Spain, the team is planning to launch their energy model in Portugal and Germany at the end of the year. If everything is still on schedule at this point, they plan on focusing on regulation in January of 2019 and virtual power plant structure in March. WePower is raising up to $35 million by issuing WPR tokens in an upcoming token sale that begins on February 1st. The conversion rate is 1 Ether for 4,000 tokens or 4,600 tokens for the first $5 million contribution. The maximum market cap is $65 million on a fully diluted basis. WePower closed their whitelist much earlier than expected before we could get this video out, but they have reserved an extra 1,000 seats to be randomly allocated to those who register after the whitelist has closed. If you are interested, please register on their official website. This chart shows how the total token supply is allocated. 20% of the tokens will be going towards the team, which will be locked for 3 years with a vesting schedule. 10% will be allocated for future use, which will be locked for 4 years. And this chart shows the intended use of funds raised from the ICO. WePower has a two-token system, the WPR token and an energy token worth 1 kilowatt-hour. WPR token holders will receive 0.9% of energy tokens produced by renewable plants. They will also have 48-hour priority access to participate in auctions for purchasing this tokenized energy once renewable energy plants are connected to the platform. Each plant will set the minimum price per token, and both historical and current energy prices will be visible to ensure a fair auction. WPR token holders are also entitled to no less than 0.9% of tokenized energy donated directly by the energy providers. They have the option to use this energy, sell it before its production, or sell it to the wholesale market when it is produced. The WPR token model is designed to provide intrinsic value to investors in the form of energy. As the platform grows and sees more clean energy producers sign up, WPR token holders will be entitled to more energy over time, which should drive up demand and value for the WPR tokens. WePower Network was founded in January 2017. The WPR token launch and platform creation are their first major products as a company, and they have already secured $3 million in funding during their pre-sale. They currently have 15 to 20 employees and a group of advisors with expertise in fields including blockchain, energy, AI, and more. WePower is also supported by the Ministry of Energy of the Republic of Lithuania. The bios for the key team members are summarized on this slide. Here are some opportunities we wanted to highlight. WePower is quite new as a company, but the team has been able to secure a number of solid companies agreeing to work with them already. At the moment, there are 3 energy producers planning to use WePower, which will connect over 1,000 megawatts of solar energy to the platform. In addition, WePower has blockchain and technology partnerships with Bancor, Tokenlot, Bitcoin Suisse, and so on. The project demonstrates what blockchain technology can do and shows an innovative way to tokenize assets, in this case, renewable energy. From the tokenization of energy construction projects can save on fundraising costs and are able to improve their ROE, resulting in more affordable energy. If WePower is successful, the platform could help tackle a huge issue in today's clean energy markets, as a unique regulatory framework in Europe keeps competition high and does not provide a market for open connection to the energy grid. And some of our concerns. The energy sector is highly regulated and the landscape is quite different for each country. It may be difficult to get different companies or governments on board with the idea of sharing one platform. Even if the project successfully hits its own growth projections, the risk-adjusted return is not that high. If we apply a 25% discount rate for the energy received as stated on page 11 of their white paper, or as shown in this table, and we assume Ether is at $1,000, the total return on a 10 Ether investment over a 6-year period is 67%, or a compounded annual growth rate of 9%. We believe this is relatively low for a cryptocurrency investment. Overall, we think there is a strong market need for something like WePower as demand for renewable energy grows. There may be other decentralized players in the market, such as the Australian startup Power Ledger, but we think the market is large enough for multiple players. From an investment perspective, we have a positive view on flipping. The team, the idea, the bonus structure, and market awareness are all above average, and we believe it should do well as long as the recent market correction is not protracted. As for long-term holding, we have a neutral view. Even using the company's own growth projections, the return of tokens from the 0.9% donation is unattractive from an investment point of view. We like the idea of the project, but unless WePower's clients tokenize a much higher portion of their energy than projected, we do not believe holding WPR tokens for the 0.9% donation is worth it. Thank you very much for watching our video on WePower. Please share your questions or thoughts with us in the comments below. For our latest reviews and market updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Twitter and Facebook. See you next time and keep on crushing your crypto game.